Hello everybody, welcome to this platform, and today's video we have given a question 2 power x, then here times 8 power x equals to 30. You're supposed to find the value of x. Let's provide a solution here very quickly by copy what we have 2 power x times 8 power x equals to 30. And of course this one 8 can be changed into base 2 to get 2 power 3, then here power x and times here 2 power x equals to 30. And of course you have 2 power x times here it can be 2 power 3x, which equals to 30, right? Because we have same base to mean that power, I have to add them. Once we are multiplying them, we have 2 power 4x equals to 30, right? Then at this stage, what can we do? We can write this one as, here we have to write this one as a logarithm of 2 power 4x equals to logarithm of 30, right? Then at this stage we can write logarithm of 2 to the base logarithm of 2 power 4x equals to logarithm of here 3 times 10, okay, which is equals to 4x logarithm of 2 equals to logarithm of 3 plus logarithm of 10, all right? Then divided by logarithm of 2 divided by logarithm of 2 divided by logarithm of 2. Then this one will be cancelled to get 4x equals to logarithm of 3 to the base 2 plus here logarithm of 10 to the base 2. Then here divided by 4 and by 4, this one to get x, which is equals to 1 over 4 times logarithm of 3 to the base 2 plus logarithm of 10 to the base 2, and this is the value of x. So can we check if the answer is correct? Because I've given here 2 power x times 8 power x equals to 30, and you have seen that this one only is equals to 2 power 4x, which equals to 30, and you have the value of x, so you have to plug in the value of x. You have 2 power 4 open bracket of 1 over 4 times here logarithm of 3 to the base 2 plus logarithm of 10 to the base 2, as we have it right here. So this should be equals to 30, and of course this and this would be cancelled to get 2 power, here we have logarithm of 3 to the base 2 times 2 power logarithm of 10 to the base 2, which equals to 30. This and this to get 3 times this and this 10, which equals to 30, and 30 equals to 30. Left hand side equals to right hand side. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Bye bye.